Hello, we're going to talk about polynomials. No, not Polly wants a cracker, but polynomials. So these are multiplying polynomials. That's what we're doing here. So notice we look up here and we see this trinomial and some couple of more terms here, but I need to factor first. First thing you want to do is factor. So I need to factor the x squared plus x minus 12. The best way to do that is there's not an a term in front, so I just factor 12. 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. And basically, 4 minus 3 makes 1, the number that goes right there, because it's a minus. That's what I put here. So I know then that it's an x with a 4 and an x with a 3, and the larger number will always match the middle sign. So 4 is positive, and because that's negative, these have to be different, because the only way I can get a negative is if I multiply positive times a negative. So this one factors to x plus 4 times x minus 3. This one here has something common. The only thing common is an x. So I'm going to factor an x out, which makes it x times x plus 5. This one here is a difference of squares. They're both what I call square rootable. So x times x is x. And another way to look at it, I could have factored it then 25 and 1 and 5 and 5, but this is a 0 middle term because there's no x. So 5 minus 5 doesn't make 0, so they have to be the same number where one's positive and one is negative, and the other one's already factored. So therefore, I'm going to rewrite the problem in their factored form. So the first thing I need to do is factor, and then I'm going to rewrite them in factored form and look to see what I have the same that I can cancel out. Look, x minus 3. Now it has to be the whole quantity. I can't cancel x and x. It has to be the whole thing like this. X minus 3 times x minus 3. And x plus 5 times x plus 5. So this is what I have left. I have x plus 4 times x plus 5 in the numerator, and just an x in the denominator. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, since FOIL, well, I guess I'll leave my answer like that. I think that's how the answers are on the paper, just leaving them like that. So that'll make it work a little bit easier there.